AITA for refusing to share my mini fridge with my dorm roommate. I-19F brought a mini fridge to my dorm, just big enough for my snacks and drinks. I bought it, I cleaned it, and I labeled it. My roommate, Lexi, didn't bring one. No big deal until she started sneaking her stuff in. First a Red Bull, then a yogurt. I let it slide. Then one day, I open it and her entire meal prep is shoved in there. My stuff was literally on the floor. I told her nicely it's my fridge, and I didn't want to share. She got mad and told people I was being classist for not letting her use it, even though she's always buying takeout and has a better laptop than me. Now people on our floor are giving me dirty looks, and I feel like the villain. So, AITA for not sharing something that's mine, even if we're roommates.